Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're making a delicious keto and low-carb meal that's simple, flavorful, and perfect for any occasion. Get ready for these mouth-watering chicken rolls stuffed with your favorite cold cuts and gooey cheddar cheese, all baked to perfection. Start by taking 2 chicken breasts and cutting them horizontally to create thinner slices. This makes them easier to roll later. Now, place the sliced chicken on a food cutter or flat surface, cover it with plastic film, and tenderize it using a meat hammer. This step makes the chicken super tender and helps absorb all the delicious flavors. Season both sides of the chicken with Himalayan salt and freshly ground black pepper. Simple seasonings can go a long way. Now, for the fun part. Add 2 slices of any cold cut you like on top of each piece of chicken. Then cover the cold cuts with a generous layer of grated cheddar cheese. This will create that gooey cheesy center we all love. Roll each chicken piece tightly and place it seam side down on a baking pan. Next, we'll make a quick flavorful coating. Mix mustard and mayonnaise together, then brush it all over the surface of each chicken roll. This adds a golden crust and extra flavor while baking. Pop the chicken rolls into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Look at these beauties. Perfectly golden, juicy, and packed with flavor. Let them cool for a minute, then slice and serve. You'll see that cheesy melty center with every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Heaven's Kitchen, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tasty low-carb recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for more keto and low-carb magic.